Good morning, Dugan. The weather for Monday, June 3rd, going to be partly cloudy, high of 84 degrees. Have an awesome day.
These students had a birthday over the weekend. These students have a birthday today. Happy birthday!
Congratulations to our May Students of the Month. These students proudly represented the character trait digital citizenship.
And now let us recite the Dugan Kids for Character Pledge. We pledge to be kids for character. We will be worthy of trust. We will be respectful and responsible, doing what we must. We will always act with fairness. We will show that we care. We will be good citizens and always do our share.
Tune in tomorrow for more daily announcements. DNN, signing off.